Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a voucher in Tally ERP 9. First, let's understand the fundamental steps involved in recording financial transactions. You will begin by accessing the Accounting Vouchers section directly from the Tally gateway. This initial step is crucial for ensuring you select the correct voucher type, such as a payment or receipt, to accurately reflect your business activity. We will cover the essential navigation and selection process. Once you have chosen your voucher type, the next step is to meticulously enter all the transaction details. This includes specifying the exact date of the transaction and any relevant reference numbers. You will then select the appropriate ledger accounts for both the debit and credit sides, ensuring accuracy. Finally, input the precise monetary amount for each entry, which is critical for maintaining balanced books and accurate financial records. After entering the core transaction details, it is essential to add a clear narration. This brief description explains the purpose of the transaction, making it easily understandable for future reference and auditing. Before saving, take a moment to thoroughly review all the information you have entered. Double-checking ensures accuracy and prevents errors. Once confirmed, simply save the voucher to permanently record the transaction in your Tally ERP 9 system. Finally, let's discuss how to manage your vouchers effectively. You can easily view any previously created voucher entries to review past transactions. If an error is discovered, Tally ERP 9 allows you to modify existing vouchers to correct any inaccuracies. Additionally, you have the option to delete or cancel vouchers that were entered incorrectly or are no longer needed. This flexibility ensures your financial records remain precise and up to date.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.